Man, this thing is fast and playful. Whoa. Now I rode a medium switchblade and it feels a lot like the medium switchblade. That's a size down. This is a large, which is what I usually ride. I definitely don't have enough gearing for high speeds. I'm pedaling out. So there's that. I definitely don't feel as comfortable going high speed, but I can still get going pretty fast. I mean, it's still fast. It's not as composed as the Switchblade. It's comparable if I had sized down. I mean, I don't know if I'd be able to tell the difference between a Switchblade size down and this. So anyway, take that for what it's worth. And that's in regards to playfulness, not how capable and like big hits. I think the Switchblade can take bigger hits than this. I think if your trails are a little bit mellower, like a lot of mine are, this would be a great bike. I wouldn't take it to the bike park. I suppose you could.